If you drink this daily, you will be able to burn belly fat without dieting or exercise. This was a claim from a video that I watched on YouTube the other day.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a famous drink for weight loss and to burn belly fat with or without exercise or dieting.
Although this sounds promising, there is quite a lot to unpack when something like this is said.
I decided to try out this recipe, and surprisingly, I was able to lose about 20 pounds in a couple of days by adding some extra fat burning ingredients to make it super effective.
And with an idea that drinking this has allowed her to lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks, there must be something special in this drink. Let's analyze the truth about this belly fat burner drink, if it can work for you, and what you need to know to lose weight that actually lasts. Believe it or not, there was actually only 5 ingredients in this fat burning drink.
To start out, we'll pour a cup of raw oats into a bowl and cover it completely with about 2 to 3 cups of drinkable water. I prepared a well-steeped green tea, which is also a strong fat burning ingredient. As much as I like water, I'd rather use green tea for all its weight loss and fat burning benefits. These other ingredients are ground cinnamon and turmeric powder, and also a little bit of honey as sweetener. We'll also be adding vanilla essence for flavor, but this is optional.
I know what you're thinking. Logan, there's gotta be more to that. These were the only ingredients detailed, which were then blended together and suggested to consume 3 times a day before every meal.
Then I pour it into a jar and drink for at least 3 times a day before each meal.
But what about the combination of the ingredients? Doesn't that help to burn your belly fat? Let's take a look at the separate ingredients and see how they might be able to burn your fat. Oats are a high fiber carbohydrate which many people enjoy eating when they are dieting. As mentioned in the video, oats are actually a great tool to use for weight loss as they fill you up much better than low fiber carbs. And cinnamon tastes great, but other than the very small improvement in blood glucose management, that is really all it is good for. The turmeric powder added doesn't offer any assistance to weight loss at all. In fact, the only studies on turmeric have been done for joint pain, which are currently not very promising. And lastly, honey doesn't have any magical fat loss benefits. Honey actually contains a fair amount of calories per teaspoon, which could make weight loss actually tougher. So in short, none of these items are inherently fat burning. Some of the ingredients might assist in weight loss to some degree, but not because of the drink itself. But she said she lost 20 pounds in only 2 weeks.
I decided to try out this recipe, and surprisingly, I was able to lose about 20 pounds in a couple of days by adding some extra fat burning ingredients to make it super effective.
For starters, 20 pounds of weight loss of actual fat mass is a lot of weight for people to lose in 2 weeks. I'm guessing that she lost a large amount of water weight and exaggerated the results of it. If this drink allowed her to consume less calories per day than she needed, she could have lost some weight. Again, this is not because the drink was fat burning, but rather it allowed her to eat less food than she needed. Before we continue, if you want to continue to navigate through all of the health and wellness misinformation online, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make videos helping individuals of all abilities in life with issues like this, in addition to navigating the fitness, health, and gym industry. Now, the huge issue with all of this was the claim from the start of the video that you can burn belly fat with this drink without any diet or exercise.
I'm going to be sharing with you a famous drink for weight loss and to burn belly fat with or without exercise or dieting.
The problem with this claim is that you can't burn belly fat directly with any pill, drink, or exercise. In addition to this, she also says at the end of the video that with mindful eating and exercise, you can burn your belly fat, completely going back at the claim at the beginning of the video.
Have it, guys, a powerful fat burning drink you can take to help you reach your weight loss goals. Combine this drink with mindful eating and a good exercise plan.
Now, I'll be completely honest, I wouldn't waste your time with this drink. Feel free to try it, but know at the end of the day, nothing special about it will make you lose weight in your stomach. Because as we established, the only way to lose weight is to eat less calories per day than you burn. And although most exercises don't work to actually help to lose belly fat directly, this video talks about an exercise that might actually work for you. Otherwise, you can check out our low impact exercise program below, which can help you start to move a little bit more to lose that belly fat for good.
To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.